Hello, I'm Micks Mowers Man, and welcome to my channel. In today's video will be my little tiny Riley boy.
Hello.
And we are just on the eve of his birthday. I hope to get this video out today. It's his birthday tomorrow, and we're all one more sleep, and we're getting the hot tub all ready. We're getting the furniture out. We got cake. We got Easter egg hunt. We got balloons. We got it all going on in the Micks Mowers household today. We got Spider-Man cake. You got it all going on. So I want to do a quick little video today because I put a video out yesterday for Riley's birthday, and it is my normal uploading day today. So I'd like to get the video out today if I can. And today's video is all about winterization, or the results, so to speak. Over the winter period, I winterized my big lawnmower. I've also been using Aspen. Just to see if my machinery will actually start. Now, it's all been stored inside the shed, okay? So it hasn't been out in the moisture, in the elements. So hopefully my machinery will start. And I want to drag all my own personal kit out, try and start it up, because I need to cut the grass, I need to cut the hedge, I need to do all the bits and pieces and all that sort of stuff. So hopefully by using Aspen in certain machinery within my 2 strokes and also winterizing my own machinery, my lawnmower, I'm hoping all my kit's going to start. Lots and lots of people tend to drag their lawnmowers bits and pieces out, and their machine just doesn't start because they've allowed either moisture in, or they've allowed bad fuel, or that sort of stuff. So that's the reason why lots of lawnmowers don't start. If you did follow my process on how to winterize, then hopefully you won't be in this sort of pickle. There's a video up in the top left-hand corner now. I'll try and show for my winterization videos. And we'll go from there. So yeah, we're going to quick look at my own machinery, see if it will or will not start, and hopefully it will. And if it don't, then that's a bit of egg on the face, and we'll go from there. So that's what we do. If it's the first time I'm watching Micks Mowers Man, hit the subscribe button, whack the old bell, set notifications to all, that way you'll be told next time I upload another video. So without further ado, let's get down and dirty, and let's drag all my own personal equipment out and see if it will start after it's been winterized. Okay, so let's grab my own equipment. Yeah, there's juice in there. That's got Aspen in there. That's my own hedge cutter. I've got 2 Echoes blowers. One I picked up the other day, and this one is my own. I bring both out, but I've been working on one just recently. I picked up, which is quite an old one. So this one is my own. And this one is one I just repaired, because it's got a handle on the side, okay? I've got those, and I want my own lawnmower, which is a Kaz with a Honda on it. And I just filled it up with fuel. Yes, I have, Nana. Yes, Nana's just come in, she wants some blue roll. Are we out of toilet paper, Nana? It's for cleaning. Yep, here you go, darling. Here you go. You're welcome. What else have we got? So you've got my hedge cutter, my leaf blower, and my Titan strimmer. Now my Titan strimmer was actually stored in my shed. Here, in my mower store. Oh. Let's see if there's any fuel in there. Yeah, there is still. Right, so this is my own kit. This is what I use, my own personal equipment. So I know that this one starts and runs because I was working on it just the other day. So this is what I've been working on. Let's just try and fire that up. First pull. Let it warm up. That runs nice. So that one is all good to go, but I have my own, which is this one here. This is my own personal one. Now I repaired this a while back in a video because it wasn't running. I put a new carburetor on here, but this has got Aspen on it. So let's just turn that on. We'll choke that the same. So this hasn't been started since last year. And we're now April. So it's priming. And this has got Aspen in here. It fires straight away. warm up. I'm super happy with that. So that one lasted the winter season. No issues. That Aspin feels pretty good. Now this one hasn't got Aspin because it runs on a slightly different fuel mix. But this is my hedge cutter, been stored inside the shed with 2-stroke fuel in it. There should be a primer on here somewhere. I'm sure there is. In the front. This one too I repaired a while back, but this is my own hedge cutter. I've decided to keep it. So let's just choke that one up. See what this one does. Second pull. Let it warm up. That sounds almost a bit of a tune. That's all right. So that's good. So that's all running. That one runs on 40-to-1. So we're good with that one. But so far we're doing quite well for winterization. And this is where so many people they throw their equipment out. Hi, buddy.
Minnie.
Millie's here, is she?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one was stored outside. Again, it runs on 40-to-1. Let's see if this one will run. Mind your toes up, please, Riley. Right, it says it's priming. This is a tight instrument. It's always been a bit of a pickle to start, but we'll see how we get on. They like a bit of choke, these do, so let it just choke up. Onto half choke. Let it warm up. Not been run all year. Now I'm not gunning it straight away, just a bit of throttle just to ease it back in. So it sounds a bit boggy, could do a bit of a tune, this one. Oh, no. All good, but the on-off switch now isn't working. That stopped. So I've got to sort out the on-off switch, that's not working anymore. Typical Titan problem. But it might just be a bit of dirt in there. I'll take the switch out and just get a bit of a clean. So the last thing to test will be my Kaz lawnmower. This was serviced at the beginning of last season, and this had all the fuel taken right out of it. Okay, now I put some fuel in. I put about a quarter of a tank in, so I want to cut my own grass, as I say. So there's fuel in there, yep. And this was stored inside my shed. Now on this one, what I did, because it's got the Honda carburetor, they've got two little tiny nuts on them. I'll show a quick little video of that right now. So on your Briggs & Stratton carburetors, the little tiny E-series ones, the little tiny hex bolt at the bottom here, if you just undo that, whilst it's still fitted to your lawnmower and drain all your fuel out, you'll have no problems at all come the spring season. But you must make sure that is taken all the way out and your fuel tank is completely empty. Therefore, your carburetor will be completely empty too. That's the one to do on the Honda, on the Briggs & Stratton E-Series. On your Tecumseh or Suffolk Punch style ones, a bolt on the bottom here, if you just hold that bolt still and undo this nut just here and drain all your fuel out, that'd be successful. You may lose the bowl, but hang on to the bowl nice and tight as you're undoing this one. And again, you can do this whilst the machine is on, whilst the carb's on the lawnmower, and that will drain all your fuel out of there. Or on your Honda style carburetors, if your bowl looks like this, where it's got two, just removing this one will not be good enough. You're going to have to remove this one too. So you can undo that one slightly, that'll drain most of the fuel out, but there'll still be a segment of fuel just sitting down here. If you hold the bowl whilst undoing this 10mm nut as well, once this 10mm nut has been removed, all the fuel can then drain out the bottom, and that will then guarantee all the fuel is out, and you shouldn't have any problems come the summer. But if you leave all these two done up and don't especially take this bottom one out, you're going to have problems come the summer season. So make sure you do that, guys. Okay, so those little tiny nuts, as I say, it's really important not just to remove the one on the side, but the one underneath. If you can hold that bowl nice and still, and then undo that 10mm bolt and drain all the fuel out, then there's no fuel inside that machine, and it should start again next year. Unless you're using Aspen, you can leave it in there. But if you're using just normal four-stroke petrol, you don't drain it out, you have a problem. So this one's been sat with no fuel in it, apart from just put some new fuel in. So it should start straight up. And being a Honda, it should start first pull. So onto choke. Just give it one quick pull over, because it's had no pulls over at all throughout the season. Let it run on choke just for a second. Now I know the oil is fine, that's no problem. Off choke. Check the drive. Yep. Rotor clutch. Rotor clutch and drive. Idle. And stop. So I'm well happy with that. My own lawnmower, my own carburetor kit, which I winterized, has started first pull and had no carburetor issues at all. If more and more people did this to their own bits of kit, you two would have no problems come the spring season. But unfortunately, that's why all of these mowers, pretty much, I've picked up from scrapyards and what have you, have come to me. I've gone down and picked them up because people literally just thrown them away for recycle or for landfill. And that's 99% of the reason why they end up here, because people just don't winterize them properly, and that is the reason why they end up being thrown, is because people just do not winterize properly. If more people winterize, we wouldn't have this problem. I wouldn't have to recycle quite so many machines. But that's what keeps me doing these videos for you girls and guys, because people just do not like to do it, so they get thrown out. I pick them up, get them running, and show you guys and girls how to repair your lawnmowers and other parts of garden equipment. So super happy. But my lawnmower runs beautiful. So well happy with my Cas. The only one that really is playing up is my Titan trimmer. I think my hedge trimmer will be okay. Might just want a bit of a tune because of the diaphragm has gone just a little bit weak, I think. Let's just check this one more time. My on-off switch is not working on my Titan, so that's a bit of a shame. Choke is definitely that way. It just sounded a little bit dopey. That's better. And have it on or switch is now working. There you go. Might have a bit of dirt in there. The advantages to his Titans are if your Titan hedge trimmer or Titan trimmer is not working, you can replace those carburetors for about £11. Swap the carburetor straight out if you're not educated or have a know-how how to strip them down. You can swap them out for around about £11. As long as you get the throat correct on the carburetor, you're good to go. So there's a quick little video there for you on how to winterize your equipment, and more importantly, the results of winterizing your equipment. If you winterize it properly, you don't have the problems the following spring. So now, because it's Riley Boy's birthday tomorrow, I've got a cut of grass, tidy the hedge up, leaf blow all the way around, trim the edges, get it all done. Hot tub is already on. And we'll be good to go for Riley Boy's birthday stroke Easter egg hunt tomorrow. So yeah, looking forward to that. I've got a bit more work to do, guys and girls. I need to get this video wrapped up and done. My day is pretty much only just beginning. So there you go, there's the results for the winterization process. I follow my own, of course, and my lawnmower, my hedge trimmer, my blower all started up fine. My strimmer multi-tool was a little bit hesitant, but that was stored outside in the mower store, therefore might have a bit of moisture in there. It tends to run quite well, but might want a little bit of a tune, which I can do no problem at all. I've got my tuners just here and very, very handy. So I'll get that done. If not, as I say, a carburetor swap can be done easy peasy, no problem at all. For about £9 you can do one of those if you want to do that. If not, you can rebuild them, but I find it easier just to put a new carb on those. They're very, very cheap. Who's here? Hi, Nana.
Got to go and get another tablecloth.
You've gone out to go and get another tablecloth. Right, no problem. Okay. Nana, we're busy.
Okay.
That was Nana. So yeah, there you go. If you want more videos on how to repair or look after your garden equipment, then hit the old subscribe button or whack the old bell.
Ding!
That way you'll be told next time we've got another video. We look forward to seeing this episode of Micks Mowers very, very soon. But until then, guys and girls, much more importantly,
Stay easy!
take care easy.